So welcome to the Rain City 72 Hour Noir Film Competition. I thank you all for being here. Very gracious to have 18 teams.
I'm James Tice.
And I'm Rob Carpenter, and we are Rebel Damage.
Rebel Damage.
So are we supposed to beat the crap out of this guy, or what?
My understanding is we're supposed to kill him.
I'm Beth Garner, and our team name is Get Out of Town.
God! Oh, yes! Yes!
I'm Jason Romaine with Raised by Monkeys. We're shooting our film. Our working title is The Good, the Bad, and the Right.
But people like a fall from grace even better.
I'm Reagan Wright, Private Eye. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Oh, my name's Trevor Carroll, and my team is, we don't really have a team name, but we're, I don't know, we don't have a team name.
Yeah. Horseshoe.
As of today,
It's a fish.
it was in the fish.
Grabby hand?
Grabby hand.
Right on.
Handcuffs.
Awesome.
It's open.
I'm just gonna write
one
K.
old K.
Got some plays.
Nice. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Reagan Wright, he's a private detective, broken-hearted, hopeless romantic. Has learned everything he knows from Angel C. Briggs. He always follows his gut instincts. They are never wrong.
Let me tell you one thing. You give the bird a little bit extra to eat, he'll slip a knife in your back pocket.
We really hustled this year. We made a good team, good name for ourselves in 2007, and we had 9 teams, 9 short films. This year we got 18 teams, 18 short films going to be made. So this weekend it's Lucky Friday the 13th right now, and teams are out there starting to put together their Rain City story.
Look at me. I said look at me when I'm talking to you.
Lots of noir themed, you know, taking it back to the 40s. It's almost like a retrograde cycle where people are starting to step back into the past and revisit these genres and characters and types of films that are a little grittier, a little more intense than your average drama.
I don't know nothing, man. I don't know Bobby. I don't know Bobby.
$50,000 in cold, hard cash.
It's kind of why we did the 4 subgenres this year. We did the detective stories, femme fatales, romantic, and action thriller. And from those, I think we're going to get a lot of really good shorts out of it.